Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst here at IronFX, bringing you the technical updates for the 18th of March. Today I would like to describe the technical picture of a cable which continued its rally yesterday and hit resistance at the psychological zone of 145. I would also like to talk about Euro-Yen, which fell below the 125.60 line during the early European morning today. So let's begin our treatment with the GBP-USD currency pair. Sterling dollar continued its rally yesterday, breaking above the resistance, now turned into support of 144.20. The surge was halted by the psychological line of 145, and then the rate retreated somewhat. The short-term outlook looks to be positive in my view, and as a result I would expect a decisive move above 145 to prompt extensions towards the 145.70 zone. Nevertheless, for now I see signs that the forthcoming wave is likely to be to the downside. A dip below the 144.20 support would confirm the case and perhaps open the way for the 143 zone. A possible setback is also supported by our short-term momentum studies. The RSI has just exited its above 70 zone, while the MACD, although above both its 0 and trigger lines, shows signs that it could start topping. Zooming out to the daily chart, I see that the 145 area coincides with the 80-day exponential moving average. As a result, a break above that zone is needed to change the medium-term outlook, in my opinion. Now let's move on to Euro-Yen. This pair traded in a sideways manner yesterday, staying between the 125.60 line and the resistance of 126.70. Nevertheless, during the early European morning today, the rate managed to fall below the 125.60 line. Given that the pair is trading below the downside resistance line taken from the peak of the 29th of January, I would consider the short-term outlook to be to the downside, and I would expect sellers to target the 124.90 area. A break could trigger extensions towards the 124.25 line. Our oscillators reveal flat momentum, supporting the recent trendless mode of the pair. The RSI is moving sideways near its 50 line, while the MACD, although positive, stands below its trigger line and is pointing east. As for the bigger picture, Euro-Yen has been forming lower highs and lower lows below the downtrend line taken from the peak of the 24th of August. As a result, I would consider the longer term outlook to stay negative, and I would treat the recent recovery from near 122 as a corrective phase of that down path. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.